Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share some valuable insights on how to take creatine every day to maximize your gains. If you're looking to boost your muscle growth and enhance your workouts, you've come to the right place. So let's dive right in. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our fitness tips and tricks. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. We always appreciate your support. All right, let's talk about creatine. It's one of the most popular and effective supplements for muscle growth and strength. But taking creatine correctly is key to maximizing its benefits. So let's cover the three essential aspects: dosage, timing, and mixing with other supplements. Dosage. The first thing you need to know is the optimal dosage. For most individuals, a daily dosage of 3 to 5 grams is sufficient. However, if you're engaged in intense workouts or have a larger body mass, you can consider going up to 5 to 10 grams per day. Remember, it's always wise to start with a lower dosage and gradually increase it to assess your tolerance. When it comes to creatine supplementation, it's essential to understand that more isn't always better. Taking excessively high doses won't provide additional benefits and may lead to potential side effects. Stick to the recommended dosages and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. When it comes to taking creatine, there are different forms available, such as powder, capsules, and liquids. The most common and cost-effective form is creatine monohydrate powder, which we'll be focusing on today. It's easy to find and works just as effectively as other forms. To consume creatine monohydrate powder, start by measuring out the recommended dosage using a measuring spoon or scale. You can mix it with water, juice, or your favorite beverage. Stir it well until the powder is completely dissolved before consuming. It's worth mentioning that some individuals might experience minor gastrointestinal discomfort when starting creatine supplementation. If this occurs, try splitting your daily dosage into smaller servings throughout the day or consider taking it with meals to minimize any potential discomfort. Timing. Now let's talk about timing. Many people wonder when the best time is to take creatine. The good news is that timing is not as crucial as consistency. Taking creatine at any time of the day can yield benefits. However, if you want to optimize absorption, it's generally recommended to take it around your workouts. This could be either pre-workout or post-workout. Choose a time that suits your routine and stick to it consistently. Some individuals prefer taking creatine pre-workout for that extra boost of energy and strength during their training sessions. By doing so, you can potentially enhance your performance and push yourself harder. On the other hand, others find post-workout consumption helpful for recovery and replenishing creatine stores. Find what works best for you and make it a habit. If you have a particularly long or intense workout, you may consider dividing your daily dosage and taking a portion before your workout and the rest afterwards. This approach ensures a steady supply of creatine to your muscles throughout your training session and aids in the recovery process. It's important to note that while timing can be beneficial, the overall consistency of taking creatine every day is more important. Choose a schedule that aligns with your lifestyle and workout routine, and stick to it. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits of creatine supplementation. Another common question is how to mix creatine with other supplements. Creatine stacks well with various supplements, such as protein powder, beta-alanine, and carbohydrates. Let's discuss some of these combinations and how they can enhance your results. First, let's talk about protein. Combining creatine with protein can have a synergistic effect on muscle protein synthesis. Consuming a combination of creatine and protein after your workout can aid in muscle recovery and growth. You can mix your creatine powder with your protein shake or consume them separately, depending on your preference. When it comes to carbohydrates, they play a crucial role in replenishing glycogen stores and aiding in the absorption of creatine. Adding a carbohydrate source to your creatine regimen, such as a glass of juice or a sports drink, can enhance its uptake by your muscles. Additionally, some individuals find it beneficial to stack creatine with beta-alanine. Beta-alanine is known for its ability to improve muscular endurance by buffering acid buildup during high-intensity exercise. Taking creatine and beta-alanine together can complement each other's effects, helping you push harder during your workouts. However, it's important to note that while combining creatine with other supplements can be advantageous, it's essential to follow the recommended dosages and guidelines for each individual supplement. Additionally, consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that the combinations are safe and suitable for your specific needs. On the other hand, it's important to avoid mixing creatine with certain substances that may interfere with its effectiveness. Caffeine-containing beverages, such as coffee or energy drinks, should not be consumed simultaneously with creatine, as caffeine may potentially counteract the benefits of creatine. Furthermore, acidic liquids, such as citrus juices or vinegar-based drinks, should also be avoided when consuming creatine. These acidic substances may degrade creatine and reduce its effectiveness. Stick to neutral or non-acidic liquids when mixing creatine for optimal results. Alright guys, that wraps up our guide on how to take creatine every day to maximize your gains. Remember, consistency in dosage, timing, and mixing strategies is key. Find what works best for you, listen to your body, and make informed choices. We hope that this information has been helpful in clarifying the best practices for creatine supplementation. As always, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medications. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also interested in fitness. Your support motivates us to continue creating content to help you on your fitness journey. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our latest fitness tips and tricks.